Good morning to all. Myself is Kanaha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Now we will discuss about the sequences and series, Unit 2, Test for Convergence series. Content: Convergence of infinite series, Test for Convergence, P-series test, Comparison test, Cauchy's condensation test, D'Alembert ratio test. Now we will discuss about the some basic definition of series. First one, infinite series. The sum of terms of a sequence is called as an infinite series. That is an expression of the form u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus etc plus un plus etc is called an infinite series. So and is denoted by summation n equal to 1 to infinity un. In this case, un is called as nth term of the series. Now here u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus etc plus un plus etc are terms of the sequence. So u1 is the first term, u2 is the second term, u3 is the third term plus etc plus un is the nth term. Next one, nth partial sum of the series. The sum of beginning n terms of the series is called as nth partial sum of the series. That is Sn equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus etc plus un is called as nth partial sum of summation un. Note, if sequence Sn is converted to L, then we say that its corresponding series summation un is also convergent to L. So Sn is convergence to L, then summation un is also converges to L. Series are separated into three types: convergent series, divergent series, oscillating series. Convergent series: if a series is converged to L, that is limit n tends to infinity Sn as, then we say that summation un is convergent. That is limit exists. Next one, divergent series. If limit Sn equal to plus infinity or minus infinity, then summation un is said to be divergent series. Third one, oscillating series. Oscillating series is separated into two types: oscillating finite series and oscillating infinite series. So oscillating finite series, if limit Sn exists but not unique, then the corresponding series is called as oscillating finite series. Example, minus 1 whole power n divided by n belongs to Z. Oscillating infinite series. If an infinite series of summation un neither plus infinity nor minus infinity, then the series is called as oscillating infinite series. Example, minus 1 whole power n into n divided by n belongs to Z. Note, divergent or oscillating series are sometimes called non-convergent series or not convergent series. Next one, geometric series. A series of the form summation n equal to 0 to n or power n. So geometric series of the form summation n equal to 0 to n or power n. There are three conditions. First condition, converges 1 divided by 1 minus r if 0 less than or equal to r less than 1. R is less than 1, given series is convergent. Second condition, diverges or less than or equal to 1, or less than or equal to 1, or equal to 1 or less than 1. The given series is divergent. Third condition, oscillate finitely when x is equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1, so given series is oscillate finitely. And x less than minus 1, given series is oscillate infinitely. Example, the series summation 1 divided by 2 whole power n is convergent since 0 less than 1 by 2 less than 1. 1 divided by 2, 0.5. So 0.5 is less than 1. So given series is obviously convergent. So first condition, the first condition. P series test. A series of the form summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 divided by n power p. There are two conditions. First condition, converges. P greater than 1 is convergent. Given problem is convergent. P less than 1 or P equal to 1, the given series is divergent. Example, the series summation 1 divided by n whole power 1 by 2 is diverges. The P series test of the form 1 divided by n power p or 1 divided by n whole power p. 1 divided by n 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2, so p equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5, so 0.5 is less than 1. So less than 1, therefore the given series is diverges. Condition number 2.